Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll see views in SQL. So a view is a virtual table. It is based on a select query and it does not store data physically in virtual table. It just shows the result of the query every time you use it. It means whatever query you will write for your view, that query result it will show. It will not store data physically on that virtual table. And basically views are used to simplify complex queries and enhance securities, so that if you are using views, it will not expose your tables directly. You can show only specific data through views using different queries. Now we will see one simple example through which we will understand how views works and how we create views. To create view, we write create view command. Then we will give name of our view. So I want to create a view which stores IT department employees whose department is IT. So get employees of IT and write, then we add as, and we'll write query select star from employee where department is equal to IT. So this query will return employees whose department is IT, and we have created this view in which we are writing this simple query to fetch employees with IT department. So we'll execute this, we'll create this view. Now in views section we can see this view must be added in database. Here are our views. Now we can see get employees of IT. This view is created. So this is just a virtual table. It will not store data. It will just have this query. Now instead of writing whole query, we can directly write query to get data from our view. So if we will select star from we can comment this as we have already created our view, and we will execute this. Now we can see we are getting employees whose department is IT, and we have selected this data from our view which we have created. So this was a simple example to how we can create view. So next we will see how we can modify existing view or how we can update our view. You can use alter command. So instead of create, we will write alter view get employees of IT department as well as marketing department or department equal to marketing. And if I will execute this, so we have changed our view. If we will select this, we'll get employees with IT department as well as marketing department. So we can see we have employees of IT department as well as marketing department. This is how we can change our existing view. If you want to update some data in your view, that you can do with update statement. Update, then give view name, and set. We will update first name, and first name will update with Joy. Employee is equal to 1. So if we will execute this command, it will update name of Joan with Joy. We'll execute this, one row affected. Now we'll select our view. So we can see with update statement, we have updated first name of employee whose employee ID is 1. So if you select this employee table, then we can see it have updated data in our actual table. So this is how we can use update statement for views as well. We'll comment everything. This is how we can update our views, and next we will see how we can drop existing view. So to drop view, we write drop view and we'll give view name. So this is how we can drop our view. If we will select this view now, it will show that view does not exist, error. So this is how we can create our view, alter our view and update tables through view. So views makes our SQL code cleaner and reusable. If you found this video helpful, do like to the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.